Ever heard of Snoop Dogg? Of course you have. But what about Snoop, the company? This might leave you scratching your head. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the real Snoop behind the app, not the legendary rapper. From dog to dollars, a money management mission. Forget the baggy clothes and laid-back beats. Snoop here operates in the world of finance, not hip-hop. It's a mobile app designed to be your personal financial bloodhound, tracking your spending and helping you sniff out ways to save money. Launched in 2019, Snoop the app isn't some fly-by-night operation. It's based in London and has been steadily gaining traction, especially in the UK, where the cost of living has been keeping many folks on their toes. Snoop on your spending, how does it work? So, how does Snoop the app work its magic? It uses a combination of open banking and machine learning to become your financial guardian angel. Here's the breakdown. Open banking connection. Snoop securely connects to your bank accounts, giving it a clear picture of your incomings and outgoings. Think of it as Snoop getting a backstage pass to your financial performance. Machine learning muscle. Once Snoop has access to your data, it flexes its machine learning muscles. This fancy tech helps categorize your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and even predict future spending patterns. Beyond budgeting, the perks of Snoop. Snoop isn't just about creating a budget and sticking to it, although that's definitely a perk. It goes a step further by offering additional features to help you become a financial whiz. Bill Buster, tired of overpaying for bills? Snoop can analyze your spending and recommend ways to switch providers or negotiate better deals. It's like having a personal cost-cutting champion in your pocket. Savings sleuth, need help squirreling away some cash? Snoop can suggest savings goals and even automate transfers to help you build your nest egg. Money-saving matchmaker, Snoop can connect you with personalized deals on services like insurance, energy, and even media subscriptions. It's like having a financial wingman who always knows where to find the best discounts. Is Snoop right for you? Snoop is a free app, so there's no harm in giving it a try. If you're looking for a way to take control of your finances, get clear insights into your spending habits, and potentially save some cash, then Snoop might be your financial partner in crime. Who owns Snoop now? A change of hands. Here's an interesting twist. In July 2023, Snoop was acquired by Vanquis Banking Group, a well-established financial player in the UK. This move could signal even bigger things for Snoop in the future, potentially offering users access to a wider range of financial products and services. The future of Snoop, a financial bloodhound on the rise. With its user-friendly interface, focus on savings, and growing feature set, Snoop is making a name for itself in the crowded world of financial apps. Whether you're a budgeting beginner or a seasoned saver, Snoop could be a valuable tool to help you achieve your financial goals. So, there you have it. Snoop isn't a record label or a celebrity clothing line. It's a mobile app with a mission to help you become more financially savvy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.